For my topic, I would like to address the topic of legal marijuana in the United States. I would like to specifically advocate for the legalization and decriminalization of marijuana in my home state of New Jersey. I think it is a very important step for our society to take, and it has been long debated for many years now. I think the best plan for advocacy on this issue would be building support for legislation that would support the legalization within the state. Currently, there is a bill being proposed that would make it legal, so I think trying to establish support with local mayors and citizens would drive the senators that can vote to vote for the passing of the bill. The most important people to have on my side for this argument are those who hold political power and have the potential to influence the vote. Additionally, when spreading information and trying to build that support, it would be very helpful to eliminate any negative feelings or stigma that may exist about marijuana use or marijuana users. I think it is very important as well to educate people on the potential uses for marijuana, especially as a medical treatment. I think this is an issue that affects many people in a variety of ways and that could provide a lot of benefits to citizens while having very few negatives. In terms of actual marijuana use, many use it to relieve stress, anxiety, or pain. Additionally, it can be prescribed to help patients who are going through chemotherapy or are battling Crohn's disease, um, in addition to many other different diseases that marijuana is also often used to treat. Um, Beyond these prescribed treatments, many use it recreationally to relax or to get away, similar to how many people in our society use alcohol. Currently, alcohol is legal, obviously, and if alcohol is legal and decriminalized in the United States, I believe marijuana, a substance with far less adverse effects, should also be. Outside of the benefits of actually using marijuana, the social benefits of legalization would be massive. By allowing for legal sales of marijuana, the state could collect taxes on it, which would boost the tax revenues greatly. Colorado just recently passed $1 billion of state revenue that they earned from their taxes on marijuana sales. This revenue can be distributed throughout the state budget to improve education, infrastructure, and a multitude of other things. In addition to the new tax revenue, decriminalizing marijuana would drastically reduce the amount of people in jail for minor drug offenses related to the drug. Keeping these low-risk prisoners in jail for something as trivial as recreational marijuana use is very expensive and also takes up space that may be necessary to house other people who are facing much more dangerous charges, and that may be a detriment to society. Overall, I think the legalization of marijuana would provide a large number of benefits to many people in the United States, not only the marijuana users. The social impacts of legalization would be huge and could provide a huge amount of benefit to others, even if they don't use marijuana. To advocate for this, I believe that the necessary steps would be to try to influence the local populations and speak with political figures who can influence the legislative process in order to get a bill passed that would ultimately result in the legalization of marijuana.